How to install Solidworks? Let's see that. Here is a source, right? Here is a correct file. You're supposed to first of all check your correct file, right? Extract this correct file from the RAR file, and you will get this extracted file. Within that, there is a you can see serial numbers and SolidWorks activator. Copy these two things in your C drive. Then open this thing. Now here you supposed to set serial number, then force local activator, and then accept serial number. Then after second, activate license, same product 18, then activate license. Click on activate. Right. So after completion of two steps, just minimize. Then go back to your setup. Click over there. Here what is essential is a of your first of all internet. Right? Internet should not be there. Make on aeroplane mode. Now, so this error will be there. Make it cancel or okay, no problem. Or cancel, wipe out. Let's see. Make it okay. Then I have already have SolidWorks, so it's asked for modification. So in your fresh start, it will give your indication for individual PC or your for server base. So you're supposed to click on first option and go to next. Here you can see automatically that code will be added. Whenever you do the two step from this activator, automatically all the key will be added. Right. Then go to next. It will check internet connection. Right. So you should be off over there. Then cancel it. Okay, this is a new thing. It will more come when we will start. If you start from first, go next. Now here you supposed to install your product, right? So this is a language based drawing. So whatever required thing is you supposed to install to save your memory, right? Because here you can see it is 18 MB because whatever I already installed the major things, so that's why it shows. But you're supposed to have at least it will take 15 GB RAM, 15 GB space in the C, right? So based on that, you're supposed to select your installation directory, installation drive. Then after clicking next, it will start installation. Right? It will make it. Then whenever you start installation from percentage by 1%, 2%, at that time sometimes it shows for the activations. Right? Over there you're supposed to click it no. It will ask yes and no. So just click on no. Then it will go on to 100%. After completion, back to over here. 3, 4 and 5. Activate. Copy loader. Again activate. then activate, then restart, then open this SolidWorks. There are more than folders are there. You're supposed to select this SolidWorks and open it. This is a procedure. Procedure is simple. Right? Here.